Look at this. It's so funny.
I can't believe it.
That's hilarious. I know, right?
Oh, it's probably just the building settling. Don't worry about it. Did you see this part in the book?
レガシーツーリングワゴンのルンバ。スバルが誇る水平対向の吸引力で家中の埃は一網打尽。シークレットモードを使えば誰にもバレずに楽しめるぞ。